Withdrawing money from Cash App to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transfer. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the balance. On the home screen, look for your Cash App balance displayed at the top of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Withdraw. After tapping on your balance, you will see options for adding or withdrawing funds. Choose the Cash Out option to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount of money you wish to transfer to your bank account. Ensure that the amount is within your available balance. Step 5. Choose transfer speed. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the icon link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. Always double check your bank details to avoid any issues with the transfer.